Vectornator, the free vector-based graphics editor for iPhone and iPad, which allows you to do illustrations, design, and logos, among other things, has been updated to version 2.4, which includes a redesigned inspector and enhanced document browser, as well as new anchor points user interface. It's still available for free since last year for both iPhone and iPad users. After the fire in the Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris, game studio Ubisoft announced that the 2014 version of Assassin's Creed Unity will be available for free until a limited time. The 8th part of the Assassin's series plays in Paris during the French Revolution and includes a detailed reconstruction of the Notre Dame Cathedral. Ubisoft also encourages gamers to donate to the cause. All you need to do to receive the free offer is to register at Ubisoft's Uplay website before the 25th of April this year. And your PC also needs the minimum requirements to play the game. Wrist straps made out of leather, nylon, and polyamide from the NATO series will get an addition of the BioSteel version for Omega watches. BioSteel is made out of synthetic spider web and is 25 times stronger than steel, according to the producer. The fiber comes from the factory of the German company called Amsilk, which is now cooperating with Omega to create the new BioSteel wrist straps. Previously, Amsilk already has worked together with the sports producer Adidas to make running shoes made out of these synthetic spider webs as a prototype. Additionally, BioSteel is not only extremely durable, but also is friendly with people with sensitive skin, especially those who wear it like a watch every day and night. The wrist strap for the watch can be biologically recycled if the material shall ever be used up. The NATO's BioSteel strap is now available from Omega for 250 euros, which is still a lot cheaper than a stainless steel wrist strap.